Today, we are talking about webinars and how automation can make your business grow faster and easier. If you are selling products, coaching services, online courses, or want to educate your audience, webinars are a powerful tool because they help you to connect with people live or on replay. But running live webinars every day can be hard and time consuming. That is why many creators use automated webinars tool that let you run your same webinar without having to present live each time. One popular tool that people talk about is EverWebinar. In this video, we will explain what EverWebinar is, how it works, its main features, and why many online business owners choose it to automate their webinar presentation. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and online success. Today we are reviewing EverWebinar, an automated webinar platform that claims to help you run webinars on autopilot. I also placed a special offer link in the description that help you to get discount or bonus when you sign up for this tool. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also don't forget to use link from description. By using that link, any special offer that will be applied automatically. So you get your benefit without using any extra steps or efforts. Now let's get into the main part of the video and talk about EverWebinar in simple word. First, EverWebinar is a webinar platform that allows you to schedule pre-recorded webinars that feel live to your audience. This means you record your presentation once and then the tool plays it at a scheduled times for people who register. Your audience sees the video, chats, ask question and experience it like a live event, but you do not have to present live every time. This saves a lot of time and energy, especially if you have many people in different time zones and want them to join at times that work for them. When you start with your webinar, the first thing you do is upload your webinar video. This can be a recording of a live session, a presentation slide video, or any content you want to share. The tool then lets you to choose how often it will play, whether it is multiple times a day, every hour, or at a specific time slots. You also choose the registration settings, so people must sign up before watching. This helps you to collect leads, grow your contract list automatically. One of the useful features in webinar is schedule timing that is very flexible. You can offer just-in-time webinars, which means someone can register and join within minutes if there is a time available. This increases your chance of attendance because people don't have to wait for long. For many business, this helps increase the engagement and reduces the drop-off because the webinar starts. EverWebinar also let you customize your registration page, and also it let you customize the thank you page. This helps your webinars feel branded and professional, which increases the conversions. Now you can add logo, custom text, images, and even countdown timers that can create the urgency so people register before time runs out. The customization also helps you to match the webinar look and feel to your overall business style so your audience has a consistent experience. Another powerful part of EverWebinar is the interaction features. Even though the webinar video is pre-recorded, you can still show chat simulation, polls, and pop-ups during the playback. This makes the session feel more interactive and engaging. For example, you can set the poll questions that appear at certain times to keep your audience involved, or show messages that encourage them to take action. These little touches help make the automated webinars feel much closer to live presentations. EverWebinar also tracks the analytics. So you can see the registration number, attendance rates, engagement level, and conversion results. These insights help you to know what works and what needs improvement. So you can grow your webinar result over time. For example, if many people register but few attend, you might test the different reminders or time settings to increase the live participants. One question many people ask, can automated webinars still feel personal? The answer is yes. Chat simulation, offers, and engagement elements that help people feel like they are part of a live event, even when the video is pre-recorded. This lets you to reach more people without having present in live every single time. Of course, no tool is perfect for everyone. Some beginners may need short learning period to get comfortable with settings, and creating engaging webinar content is still key. But for many creators who want to scale their webinar strategy without repeating live sessions, EverWebinar provides strong automation features that save time and increase reach. So in simple word, EverWebinar is a tool that lets you run automated webinars that feel like live presentations or help you to collect leads, customize your webinar experience, engage your audience, and track results without presenting live every time. That's all basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on this channel. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for simple tool reviews and tutorials. Don't forget to use the link from description to grab the benefit automatically. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.